She gave you everything without ever asking for anything in return. When was the last time your child hugged you without saying a word?
Yesterday. So my daughter hugged me last year when she got her first job.
Today only.
आज सुबह
This I think I'm very fortunate enough because my both the kids when they wake up early morning, so the first thing that they do is always come and hug me. So that's a everyday practice that we have.
Yesterday night itself.
What's something you gave up for your child that you did not realize until now?
Uh, yes, I think when I had my first child, so that time I was actually on peak of my career. But yes, for my child, I left it.
So many things, I think. Endless list.
मेरे बच्चों ने कभी मुझे अपने शौक बंद करने के लिए नहीं।
ऐसा नहीं मैं कहूँगी गिव अप कर दिया बट आई पुट इट ऑन होल्ड फॉर सम टाइम and now I am rediscovering my hobbies with my children. I am trying to teach them the things that I love.
So I gave up my dancing when she was born, and I'm fond of dancing.
Watching TV. बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया and minimum use of mobile.
If you could relive one childhood moment with your mother, what it would be?
वो मुझे हाथ से खाना खिलाती थी. That was the best thing. So I used to chat a lot with my mother after coming from school, college, or even after my PhDs also. That's the thing which I miss the most. That my mother connect with me and she guiding me how to do the activities. So that's the thing which I miss the most, and I would like to relive again that part of it.
All memories before class 5th and 6th. Each and every moment. वो मेरा होगा जब मेरा 7th 8th 9th में जब हम होते थे तो हम समझते थे उनके अफेक्शन को भी समझते थे रियलाइज करते थे कि मम्मा कितनी बिजी है फिर भी हमें इतना टाइम देती है
When I got selected in PMT and I was leaving my home, when we both were in emotions and cried.
What makes you truly happy?
Seeing them growing and able to fulfill their needs, able to fulfill their desires, able to uh, watch them grow into good individuals.
to see my son happy, content and success. मुझे तो मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा तो यही लगता है कि बच्चों का कैरियर जो है वो मतलब एक बार के लिए फिक्स हो जाए जैसा वो चाह रहे हैं जिस फील्ड में चाह रहे हैं और जिस अकॉर्डिंग प्लेसमेंट चाह रहे हैं वो प्लेसमेंट उनको मिल जाए
मतलब जब वो अंदर से मन से खुश होते हैं with any of my act.
When we are together, all the 5 members of my family, when we are together, they are the happiest one.
Mothers have always given without asking for anything in return. This Mother's Day, let's honor her by giving her something she's always deserved: a promise to take care of her.
I promise to take care of myself, just like I have always taken care of my family.
I promise to take the time to rest and recharge, even if it is a few minutes.
So I promise to take care of my health. I am not exercising regularly, so I promise to myself that I will take care of my health, exercise regularly.
I promise to prioritize my happiness even in the busiest of days.
मैं प्रॉमिस करती हूँ अपने आप से कि मैं जितना ध्यान मेरे बच्चों का मेरी फैमिली का रखती हूँ उतना ही ध्यान मैं अपना भी रखूँगी
So I take pledge that I will take care of myself so that I will be able to give happy moments to my child.
Mother, she's the one who stayed up all night when you had a fever. She fed you before herself. She saved the last bite, the last penny. And when she's sick, she just smiles and says, I'm fine. That's what mothers do. They love quietly, completely. This Mother's Day, let's give her the love she's always given us and a promise to take care of herself.